In this task, we're going to get you configured for XCode. XCode is the programming environment you're going to need, and what you need to do is go to your folder. So go to the Finder and find all your main folders here. And then what you need to do is click on Developer. So give that a click, and then click on Applications. Now what you're going to find is XCode. So take that and drag it right down to the bottom in your status bar. So you'll have a very quick and convenient way in. So let's give that a click. So there's a couple things to note here. So this is kind of the welcome screen to XCode, and you notice the version here. This is the version I'm running. And let's zoom out here. You can create a new project. You can get started with XCode. There's a developer connection. There's all sorts of things. So I'm going to create a new project. And I'm going to do one for the iPhone. And let's do a view-based application. I'm just going to call this one test. Okay, save. Now, I recommend maximizing your screens. Isn't that better? You can see everything. Now, if you're going to be programming, what I need you to do is actually go in here and you need to understand the libraries and the frameworks. So let's go ahead and click Foundation Framework. And you can see everything here. So if we look down, there's NS array. Everything's prefixed with NS. Don't let that shake you. You'll get used to looking at it. So for me, mentally, when I look at this, I see array. I see attribution string. I just assume, okay, that's just the prefix they use. .h is the header. So I'm going to zoom out and go ahead and click one of those. So let's go into Foundation H, the very first one. So when this launches, you can see all the information here. And if you're going to be a programmer, a developer, what you need to do is go in here, and even when you're tired, make sure you get yourself a laptop, because you'll be tired at night after working. You can take your laptop to bed with you. Your wife will be watching TV. And then you can spend the rest of your days just comfortably and casually, surfing around, getting used to things. Believe it or not, 90% of the battle of programming is knowing of something. Not knowing how to do something, but knowing of it, that it exists. Because once you know those keywords, you can look stuff up on the internet. You can go to our site. So kind of get used to explore what's in here. So this is just like one of the libraries out there. Let me zoom out. I notice this pulls up a little separate window. And I like to run maximize windows. I was working with a guy once, and he was doing his entire life off of the size of a credit card. It drove me nuts. Maximize your windows, and your life will be much easier. He actually made a programming error that we uncovered because his code scrolled off the screen. So maximize those windows. So I just wanted to show you this. Everything I do is going to be task-based. Short snippets of functionality of one simple fact you need to know. So go to in here and get to know the Foundation Framework. Poke around, get used to looking at it. I'm Steve for the Global Code Guild. Thanks for watching.